To add link in our Facebook story, first of all, we have to link our Facebook account with Instagram. So go ahead and open Instagram app on your mobile and go to your profile. From your profile, just tap on this hamburger menu. And here, tap on Account Center. And here, scroll down all the way to the bottom and just tap on Accounts. And here we have to add our Facebook account. So tap on Add Accounts and add Facebook account. And here, as you can see, already my Facebook account showing up here. So I'm just tapping on Continue. And here, as you can see, my Facebook account successfully added. Now go back from this page. And here, we just tap on Share Across Profiles. And now, Share From, tap on your Instagram profile. And Share To, make sure to select your Facebook account here, in which account you want to add a link story. And here, Automatically Share, we can see your Instagram story option. So make sure to enable your story and then go back to your Instagram homepage, and it's time to add a story here. So I'm creating a new story. On Create, tapping on Sticker, and here adding link. And in this link box, go ahead and add your link. And just tap on Done and tap on Share. And your story, make sure to click here and make sure to select Add Facebook Story option, and then just share this story. Once the story added, now I'm going to open in my Facebook, and you have to wait for a moment to add the story to your Facebook. And here, as you can see, the story successfully added. And if I click on this link, as you can see, this is a clickable link. And now, once the story added to your Facebook story, now you can delete the story from your Instagram. So open the story and tap on Delete, and just tap on Delete from Instagram only, and the specific story will be delete from your Instagram and not from your Facebook.